श्री श्री राधा गोविंद भगवान की जय। ग्रंथराज भागवतम की जय। जय गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। Reading from first canto of chapter 5 Vishnu Bhagavatam, entitled Narad's Instructions on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Mudire. Nashtaprayeshu bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttam Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Sutta Vacha Athatam Sukham Asina Upasinam Brihat Devarishi Praha Viprarishim Veena Pani Asmayan Iva. Sutta Goswami said, thus the sage amongst the gods, Narada, comfortably seated and apparently smiling, addressed the Rishi amongst the Brahmanas, Ved Vyas. Narada Uvacha Parasharya Mahabhaga Bhavataha Kachit Atmana Paritushyate Sharira Atma Manasa Eva. Addressing Vyasadeva, the son of Parashar, Narada inquired, are you satisfied by identifying with the body or the mind as objects of self-realization? Jigyasitam susampannam apite mahad adbhutam Kritvan bharatam yasvam sarvartha paridimhitam. Your inquiries were full and your studies were also well fulfilled. And there is no doubt that you have prepared a great and wonderful work, the Mahabharata, which is full of all kinds of Vedic sequences elaborately explained. Jigyasitam adhitam cha brahmayattat sanatanam tathapi shochasi atmanam akritartha iva prabho. You have fully delineated the subject of impersonal Brahman as well as the knowledge derived therefrom. Why should you be despondent in spite of all this, thinking that you are Anjan, my dear Prabhu? Vyasa uvacha astyeva me sarvam idam tvayoktam tathapi natma paritushyate me tanmulam avyaktam agadhabodham prichha mahe tvatma bhavatma bhutam. Shri Vyasadeva said, all you have said about me is perfectly correct. Despite all this, I am not pacified. I therefore question you about the root cause of my dissatisfaction. For you are a man of unlimited knowledge, due to your being the offspring of one, Brahma, who is self-born, without mundane father and mother. Savai bhavan veda samasta guhyam upasvito yat purushah purana paravaresho manaseva vishvam Shrijatyavati atti gunair asangaha. My Lord, everything that is mysterious is known to you because you worship the Creator and Destroyer of the material world and the maintainer of the spiritual world, the original personality of Godhead, who is transcendental to the three modes of material nature. Tvam paryatan artha eva trilokim antascharo vayu ivatma sakshi paravare brahmani dharmato vrateha snatasya me nyunam alam vichakshva. Like the sun, your goodness can travel everywhere in the three worlds, and like the air, you can penetrate the internal region of everyone. As such, you are as good as the all-pervasive Super Soul. Please therefore find out the deficiency in me, despite my being absorbed in transcendence under disciplinary regulations and vows. Shri Narada Uvacha Bhavatamulita Prayam Yasho Bhagavato Balam Vinayvaso na tushyeta Manyata Darshanam Khilam. Shri Narada said, you have not actually broadcast the sublime and spotless glories of the personality body. That philosophy which does not satisfy the transcendental senses of the Lord is considered worthless. Yatha dharmadayaschatha muni bhayanukirdititaho na tatha vasudevasya mahima yanuvarnitaha. Although great sage, you have very broadly described the four principles, beginning with religious performances. You have not described the glories of the Supreme Personality, Vasudeva. Nayat vachashyatitra padam bharer yasho jagat pavitram pragrinita karhichit tadvayasam tirtham shanti manasa nayatra hamsa niramantya vishikshaya. Those words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, who alone can sanctify the atmosphere of the whole universe, are considered by saintly persons to be like unto a place of pilgrimage for crows. Since the all-perfect persons are inhabitants of the transcendental abode, they do not derive any pleasure there. Tadavaga visargo janataga viplavo yasmin pratikshlotam avadhyati api namanyantasya yashon kitani yat shrinvanti gayanti vrinanti sadhava. On the other hand, that literature which is full of descriptions of the transcendental glories of the name, fame, forms, pastimes, and so on, of the unlimited Supreme Lord, is a different creation, full of transcendental works, directed towards bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of this world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literatures, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, and accepted by purified men who are thoroughly honest. Neshkarmyam api yachitta bhavavarjitam na shobhate jnanam alam niranjanam utaha punaha shashvat abhadram ishvare yacharpitam karma yadyapi akaranam. Knowledge of self-realization, even though free from all material affinity, does not look well if devoid of a conception of the infallible God. What then is the use of trivial activities, which are naturally painful from the very beginning and transient by nature, if they are not utilized for the devotional service of the Lord? Atho mahabhaga bhavanamo bhadri Shuchi Shravah Satyarto Dhrittavrataha Uru Brahmasya Yakhila Bandhamuktaye Samadhina Nusmaratat Vicheshtitam. O Vyasdev, your vision is completely perfect. Your good fame is spotless. You are firm in vow and situated in truthfulness. And thus you can think of the pastimes of the Lord in trance, for the liberation of the people in general from all material bondage. Taton yatha kinchana yad vivakshataha Vetagdrishastat kritya rogamabhi Nakarhichit kwapicha duhstitavate Labhet vatahata naurivaspadam. Whatever you desire to describe that is separate in vision from the Lord simply reacts with different forms, names, and results to agitate the mind, and the wind agitates the boat which has no resting place. Juguptitam dharmakrite shasataha swabhavaraktasya mahana vitikramaha Yadvapyato dharma iti yataha sthito namanyate tasya nivaram janaha. The people in general are naturally inclined to enjoy, and you have encouraged them in that way in the name of religion. This is verily condemned and is quite unreasonable, because they are guided under your instructions. They will accept such activities in the name of religion and will hardly care for prohibitions. Vichakshano sharati veditum vidho ananta parasya nivrittitaha sukham pravartamanasya gunair anatamanas tato bhavan darshaya cheshtitam vibho. The Supreme Lord is unlimited. Only a very expert personality, retired from the activities of material happiness, deserves to understand this knowledge of spiritual values. Therefore, those who are not so well situated due to material attachment should be shown the ways of transcendental realization by your goodness through descriptions of the transcendental activities of the Supreme Lord. Tyaktava sadharmam charanambujam hare bhajan pakvotha pate tato yadi yatra ka vabhadram adbhuddhamushyakim ovartha apto jatam sadharmataha. One who has forsaken his material occupations to engage in the devotional service of the Lord may sometimes fall down while in an immature state. Yet there is no danger of his being unsuccessful. On the other hand, a non-devotee, though fully engaged in occupational duties, doesn't gain anything. Tasyaiva hetuho parate tako vido nalabhyate yat namatam upavyat adhava kallabhyate dukavad anantaha sukham kale sarvatra badhiram hasa. Persons who are actually intelligent or philosophically inclined should endeavor only for that purposeful end which is not obtainable even by wandering from the topmost planet, Brahmaloka, down to the lowest planet, Patal. As far as happiness derived from sense enjoyment is concerned, it can be obtained automatically in course of time, just as in course of time we obtain miseries even though we do not desire them. Navai jano jatu kathanchana praje mukunda sevyam yavat anga samsritin smaran mukundam vi upaguhanam punar vihatum ichchena narasgraho janah. My dear Vyasa, even though a devotee of Lord Krishna sometimes falls down somehow or other, he certainly doesn't undergo material existence like others, fruity active workers and so on. Because a person who has once relished the taste of the lotus feet of the Lord can do nothing but remember that ecstasy again and again. Idam hi vishwam bhagavan vivetaro yato jagatsthan nirodha sambhava tadhi swayam veda bhavam satthapite pradesha matram bhavatah pradarshitam. The Supreme Lord, personality of Godhead, is himself this cosmos, and still is aloof from it. From him only has this cosmic manifestation emanated. In him it rests, and unto him it enters after annihilation. Your good self knows all about this. I have given only a synopsis. Tvam atmanatmanam avehi mogadri parasya pumsaha paramatmanah kalam ajam prajatam jagatah shivayatam mahanubhava vyudayo dhiganyatam. Your goodness has perfect vision. You yourself can know the soul, personality of God, because you are present at the plenary portion of the Lord. Although you are birthless, you have appeared on this earth for the well-being of all people. Please describe the transcendental pastimes of the Supreme Person of God, Shri Krishna, more vividly. Idam hi pumsas tapasaha sukasya va svitasya sukhasya cha buddhi dattayo avichitotha kavibhindo nirupito yat uttam shloka gunanuvartanam. Learned circles have positively concluded that the infallible purpose of the advancement of knowledge, namely austerities, study of the Vedas, sacrifice, chanting of hymns and charity, culminates in the transcendental descriptions of the Lord, who is defined in choice poetry. Aham puratita bhave bhavam mune dasyastu pasyachana vedavadina nirupito balaka eva yogina sushrushane pravrishi nirvishatam. O Muni, in the last millennium, I was born as the son of a certain great servant, engaged in the service of Brahmanas who were following the principles of Vedanta. When they were living together during the 4 months of the rainy season, I was engaged in their personal service. Te maya petakhila chapale vidbhake gandhe dhrita although they were impartial by nature. Those followers of the Vedanta blessed me with their causeless mercy. As far as I was concerned, I was self-controlled and had no attachment for sports, even though I was a boy. In addition, I was not naughty, and I did not speak more than required. Uchishtale pananumodito dvijeha sakritsma munjed apasta kilvishaha evam pravittasya vishuddha chetasas tad dharma evatma ruchi prajayate. Once only by their permission I took the remnants of their food, and by so doing all my sins were at once eradicated. Thus being engaged, I became purified in heart, and at that time the very nature of the transcendentalists became attractive to me. Yatran vaham Krishna katha pragayatam anugrahena shranam manohara taha shraddhaya me nupadam vishrivataha priyarvasya anga mama bhattaruchiha. O Vyasadeva, in that association and by the mercy of the great Vedantists, I could hear them describe the attractive activities of Lord Krishna, and thus listening attentively, my taste for hearing of the personality of Godhead increased at every step. Tasmin siddhadarat harucher mahamate priyarshravasi astalita mama yayaham etat sat asat swamayaya pashye mai brahmani kalpitam pare. O great sage, as soon as I got a taste of the personality of Godhead, my attention to hear of the Lord was unflinching, and as my taste developed, I could realize that it was only in my ignorance that I had accepted gross and subtle coverings, for both the Lord and I are transcendental. Ittam sharadra pravishikavaritu hare Vishrinnavato me nusabam yashobhalam sankirtyamanam munibhir mahatmabhir bhaktiha pravittatma rajastamopaha. Thus during 2 seasons, the rainy season and autumn, I had the opportunity to hear these great souled sages constantly chant the unadulterated glories of the Lord Hari. As the flow of my devotional service began, the coverings of the modes of passion and ignorance vanished. Tasyevam me nuraktasya prashpitasya hateina saha shraddhanasya balasya dantasyanucharasya cha. I was very much attached to those sages. I was gentle in behavior, and all my sins were eradicated in their service. In my heart, I had strong faith in them. I had subjugated the senses, and I was strictly following them with body and mind. Jnanam guyatam yatta sakshat bhagavato ditam anvavochana gamishyantaha kripaya dinavatsalaha. As they were leaving, those Bhakti Vedantas, who were very kind to poor-hearted souls, instructed me in that most confidential subject, which is instructed by the personality of Godhead Himself. Yinaivaham bhagavato vasudevasya vedhasaha mayanubhavam avedam yena gachanti tatapadam. By that confidential knowledge, I could understand clearly the influence of the energy of Lord Shri Krishna, the creator, maintainer, and annihilator of everything. By knowing that, one can return to Him and personally meet Him. Etat samsuchitam brahmam tapatraya chikitsitam yad ishvare bhagavati karma brahmani bhavitam. O Brahmana Vyasadeva, it is decided by the learned that the best remedial measure for removing all troubles and miseries is to dedicate one's activities to the service of the Supreme Lord, Personality of God, Sri Krishna. Amayo yascha bhutana jayate yena surata tadeva yamayam dravyam na punati chikitsitam. O good soul, does not a thing applied therapeutically cure a disease which was caused by that very same thing? Evam nrinam kriya yoga sarve samskriti etava daevatma vinashaya kalpante kalpita kare. Thus, when all immense activities are described to the service of the Lord, those very activities which cause his perpetual bondage become the destroyer of the tree of work. Yadatra kriyate karma bhagavat paritoshanam jnanam yattat adhinam hi bhakti yoga samanvitam. Whatever work is done here in this life for the satisfaction of the mission of the Lord is called Bhakti Yoga, or transcendental loving service to the Lord. And what is called knowledge becomes a concomitant factor. Kurvana yatra karmani bhagavaccha chikshaya sakre virante guna namani krishnasya namaskranti cha. While performing duties according to the order of Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God, one constantly remembers Him, His names and His qualities. Om Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam Vasudevaya Dhevahi Pradyumnaya Niruddhaya Namaha Shankarshanaya Cha. Let us chant the glories of Vasudeva along with his plenary expansions, Pradyumna, Aniruddha and Sankarshan. Iti murtya bhidhanena mantra murtim amurtikam yajate yapya purusham sasamyak darshanah puman. Thus he is the actual seer who worships in the form of transcendental sound representation the Supreme Personality of God is Vishnu, who has no material form. Imam sanigamam brahmana avedya mat anushkitam adame jnanam aishvaryam swasmin bhavam cha keshava. O Brahman, thus by the Supreme Lord Krishna I was endowed first with the transcendental knowledge of the Lord as inculcated in the confidential parts of the Vedas, then with the spiritual opulences, and then with his intimate loving service. Tvam apiyatthapra shuddha vishuttam vibho samapyate yena vidam utsitam prakhyāhi dukhe muhur arditātmana sanklesha nirvānam ushanti nānyatha. Please therefore describe the Almighty Lord's activities which you have learned by your vast knowledge of the Vedas, for that will satisfy the hankerings of great learned men and at the same time mitigate the miseries of the masses of common people who are always suffering from material pangs. Indeed, there is no other way to get out of such miseries. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta translation of the first canto, 5th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Narad's Instructions on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। जगद्गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। श्री श्री राधा गोविंद भगवान